Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based product, info products and training courses that generally help you elevate your business to the next level. If making money online is your desire, on my channel I come up with programs and especially training courses like this one that is going to help you actually begin to make money online, and this will definitely take your business and your life to the next level. Today I have another amazing training course, an info product, a great one at that, and this one is called Affiliate One. Affiliate One is being launched by the super affiliate himself, James Fawcett, and is going live on the 2nd of April 2022 at exactly 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. A couple of hours from now is going to go live, and of course you will be able to get this training that is required to make you go from scratch to being a super scalable affiliate marketer. Now this product in a nutshell is one that is going to train you on how to become from scratch a super affiliate, giving you all the hacks and all the trainings and everything you need to start from scratch and be able to become a super affiliate. Because as you know, affiliate marketing is one of the best business models as we speak, with over 370 billion annual turnover globally, and you will become a champion of this very business model using this very Affiliate One product from James Fawcett, which is one of the best in the market out there. If this is a product you would like to have, I will encourage you to definitely use the first link below on my description area. That link will give you access when you have it clicked, and it will take you to the course, and of course take you through the sales page and show you my amazing bonuses. Right now we are on the very Affiliate One training dashboard area for members, and here you have the amazing, this is the sales page which I'm going to take you to if you stick with me on this one, and definitely take you also to the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for this product, which I will show you in a moment. And of course, like I said, you will see the members area, the training course dashboard area itself. Here I will show you what this product is all about. This is what James Fawcett says. He said it's a simple system. It's exposed plug and play breakthrough method that generates in 1.1 million in 2021 starting from scratch, which is what I told you earlier, that this very product is going to help you, train you on how to become a super affiliate from scratch. And it's a simple system that makes him and his beta testers 2,767 daily passively. And of course here is how you can replicate it. This is the training on how you can replicate this sort of results on daily basis, and then scale it to $1 million, 7-figure income, doing business with this. Now this is what this product is all about. So in a nutshell, now let me put us through the amazing prices for this one. The price actually goes for $17, and I think you have on the sales page a $4 discount, which puts it at $13, okay, which is what you have it for if you buy the front end alone. And of course, upgrade number 1 is the fast cash accelerator. It goes for downsell of 27, and these are the exact assets and strategies they use to convert their subscribers into affiliate customers, and regardless of affiliate offer at 10 times speed. And that is exactly what you have for upgrade number 1. Upgrade 2 is 10 times auto commission multiplier. It goes for $47 downsell. Upgrade number 3, done for you package, which means everything is done for you. You just sit back and relax and make money. It goes for $97 downsell. And you have upgrade number 4, VIP Inner Sanctum, goes for $37 downsell. Upsell number 5, Super Reseller Lite, goes for $67, and I believe this gives you access to using this product as if it's your own and keeping the profit across the entire funnel. And here you have the upsell number 6, reseller license, goes for $47. Get 100% profit by selling creator to your client's reseller license. So it's an amazing product, and here are the benefits you stand to get with this one. Evergreen sets up once and continue profiting. Our fail-proof method for making money, but of thin air. Perfect for newbies, works like a charm in 2022 and beyond. No making videos required, step-by-step video training exposed the entire process, 30-day money back guarantee. So that's basically what you have with the prices and front end. And of course, the upgrade number 1 is advisable because it will take care of all the limitations on the front end, so that you don't have any limitations whatsoever. So now, this is what you get as my amazing bonuses for you if you buy this product using my link. Here you have the bonus tutorial, which is how to get traffic to any link or offer of your choice. And of course, bonus number 2 would be affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, which is in tandem with this very product, which is Affiliate One, teaching you from scratch how to become a super affiliate. Imagine when you combine this bonus with the Affiliate One product, that means you will be flying before you know it. My bonus number 3 will be 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot, which means it's an automation system that can automate your link and broadcast it to different platforms, so that you begin to make money on daily basis, okay, on autopilot. Now, bonus number 4 will be how to convert your traffic fast. One thing is to have traffic, the other one is to know how to convert it fast, because it is in the conversion that you get the clicks that will definitely get you to sell the products as an affiliate that will make money for you. My bonus number 5 definitely will be a special bonus for all the vendor bonuses for this product. You will have them free of charge using this link number 5 of my bonus page. Now, if you click this, like I told you, it will take you to the sales page, where you use this button to get $4 discount on this front end of $17. And when you do that, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account, where you buy this product. And after your purchase, under your purchase history, you have a page that looks exactly like this with 2 buttons. The green one gives you access to Affiliate One training course, and of course the button below it will be blue, which gives you access to these amazing bonuses. And if there is anything you need, like information, you use this email address to get in touch with me, and that will be clear. Now let us see what you have as the members area. This is the dashboard itself, support and logout, and here you have the welcome note from James Fawcett himself, and here you have the affiliate fundamentals, which means Affiliate One mindset, which is very important to prepare you on how to be positive as a marketer. And here you have Affiliate One process. Here you have of course below that you have Affiliate One process, which gives you how to find hot products. It's a training course that will teach you step by step with short videos on how you can set this up and how you can start from scratch to scale your money making as an affiliate to another level, which is the reason I'm doing this review. It's a great one. And here you have the email marketing on steroids. Email marketing is like having money on demand with a virtual ATM there. Whenever you send email to your newsletter about a product or about affiliate product, you can always get your subscribers to buy these products and make a hell of money. Now that's what this very affiliate marketing on store is all about. And here you have Affiliate One traffic. Like I told you, I have traffic bonuses for you, and this very traffic hack will teach you also in combination with what I have for you as bonuses to maximize your capabilities being an affiliate. And here you have the Affiliate One bonuses and Affiliate One upgrades, which I have shown you already in the prices, and here you have the support. So it's basically a training course that will teach you from scratch how to become a super affiliate. That is the best anybody can do to you, because one thing is to give someone fish, he eats it, she eats it, after some 3 hours he gets hungry again. But when you teach that person how to fish, then he or she will never go hungry. This is why I love this product, and this is why you must get it. And when you decide to do, use a link in my description area to gain access to my bonus page, where you use any of these links to check out on this. When you do, it will bring you to this sales page where we are right now, and you claim it with this. When you do, you will be able to go through also the information that you will have on this very page. If making up your mind is necessary with this sales page, you can read through and see the testimonials from all the super people who have been able to use this product to make money. And here are the income proofs that you have on daily basis. Today is this. One thing about James Fawcett is this. Sometimes on this sales page you have exaggerated prices and income proofs, but with this guy, he shows you exactly what he makes. This is a man that can make $5,000 a day on affiliate marketing. So it's a crazy little hack, as long as this training is concerned, that will help you actually begin to make money. So make up your mind fast and get taught on how to make money as an affiliate, so that you can fish for yourself and fend for yourself and have that geographic freedom that everybody guns for, myself included. So it's basically a professionally put training info course that will teach you how to make money from scratch, becoming a super affiliate yourself, just like James Fawcett himself, Art Flair, and my mentor John Armstrong, and so many others, Ben Ramana. All these guys started from scratch, and of course James Fawcett, coached most of these people that I know of. And of course, it has 3 basic steps that you can fix to get this done for yourself. So it's self-explanatory. Now, that's about what you have, and at your convenience, you'll be able to make use of this information to actually begin to make money for yourself. I am so excited to give you this, because this is how I started with trainings like this. Put me through to become an affiliate who have been making money somehow on the internet, fending for myself. So you can always replicate these results and replicate this process using this very training course. It's an amazing one that I can assure you. This is my friend John Newman. These are all the testimonials you have on this one, James Fawcett, and you have everything you want to make up your mind on this. And I can assure you, you will not definitely regret this. I think there are amazing bonuses from the vendor, which you may have access to when eventually you gain the access you need to access this very sales page of Affiliate One. Here is the bonus number 1 from the affiliate. Affiliate One guaranteed approval. Bonus number 2 will be Affiliate One quick commissions method. Bonus number 3 will be bonus Affiliate One funnel. Bonus number 4 from the vendor will be Affiliate One 3-day follow-up swipes, which is very important in email marketing. Putting your email marketing on steroids means you have very good swipes, which is messages that you send to your clients and your subscribers to actually begin to make money. So this is basically what this product is all about, and I will encourage you, if you want to know how to fish yourself, this is where you start, and you will be able to scale it through to the highest level. And this is the reason I am in this business, to review products so that you can have educated information and make educated decision if this is going to be for you. And if as such, use the first link below on my description area. If you are new to my channel, this is the time. I encourage you to like, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and of course use the bell button to get notifications, and I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me from here is goodbye.